Hey everybody, wanted to do this video today to show you how to do a sample breakdown for an investment property. We've been seeing a lot of good deals come on the market, and this one just reduced their price. So when they lowered it enough, the numbers became really attractive. So this is a sample of how to calculate return on an investment property where you're putting a percentage down, not buying it cash. So I'll have all the information in the link, but I wanted to kind of go over with you how I came about these numbers. So the purchase price would be $235. The loan amount would be 65% of that. So it's 35% down, 65% on a loan. And that's calculated at 5.875. That was the rate quoted today. Today is December 1st, 22. So 65% loan to value, loan amount 152,750, down payment 35%, 82,250. So the breakdown of your monthly budget is going to be principal and interest at 904, monthly taxes 70, homeowners insurance around 40, and this particular property, which is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath in Green Valley condo, and it has a 1-car garage, and the HOA is $188 a month. And then you always want to be conservative and factor in a little bit extra for vacancy, repairs, if you have a home warranty, things like that. This budget is not done for the new investor. This is more of an experienced investor where you are managing the property yourself. So if you do have to pay a property manager, you're going to factor in another 8 or 9%. But this is done for the more experienced investor. So those items added together come out to $1,328 a month. Doing the rental comps for this area, they're coming out to about anywhere between $1,500 and $1,650 a month. Most of those had no garage. This one has a garage, so we're going to be conservative and call it $1,575 a month for the rental income. So there's 3 different ways you're going to calculate your profit. So the first one, the easy one, is just your monthly cash flow. So you're bringing in $1,575, and then money going out the door is $1,328. So your cash flow is $247. Your cash flow is not your only gain when you own rental properties. You're also calculating in the very beginning, as this loan is a 30-year, $155 a month goes towards paying down your principal, and then factoring a modest 2.5% annual appreciation comes, and that's over the long term. Prices do go up, prices do go down, but that is coming out to $6,000 a year or $500 a month. So you're adding your cash flow, your principal, and your appreciation all together, and that's a total monthly gain of $902. Annual gain is $10,824. So your return is calculated as $10,824 divided by your initial investment of 35% down, which is $82,250. So a couple caveats in there. You do have closing costs. However, this particular property is advertising the seller is paying the buyer's closing costs. If you didn't have the seller paying your closing costs, your initial investment would not be $82,000. It would be more like $87,000 or maybe $88,000. 2 other factors to consider is that this is based off of year 1, month 1. When you're factoring in long-term numbers as far as appreciation, there are 2 other factors you're going to consider. Is that this is going to be your lowest case scenario, 13.1% return. Over time, people do raise rents. However it is that the market goes, if you raise rents every 6 months, every year, every 2 years, over time rents will go up. Over time, your payments will stay the same with the exception of a small increase on HOA and taxes and maybe homeowners insurance. But over time, rents do go up, and as that $155 a month is amortized, that is paying down your principal, every month as you make your payments, you are now going up from month 1 to 155, month 2 is going to be 157, month 3, and so on and so forth. So as time goes on, rents slowly increase and interest slowly goes down with principal slowly going up. So that is more or less how you do a breakdown of an investment property. And your total return on this one is 13.1%. If you're interested in the details of this property, please let me know. We're going to be going over there today to do a quick video. It'll probably be in escrow by tomorrow, possibly with one of our buyers, possibly not. Again, it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-car garage condo in Green Valley. Talk to you later. Bye.